Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Mona. Welcome back. I know I haven't done makeup look for a very long time. I know guys, I've been slacking a bit. So this is the look I've created today. Very subtle, kind of smoky, natural type of look, big lashes. If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching.
I'm gonna start priming with the Becca Poreless Primer. I'm just gonna prime just my T-zone. I'm concealing my dark under eyes with the LA Girl concealer in Toffee. I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty blender for a flawless look.
So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina.
I'm blending the leftover concealer over my eyelids as an eye base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna use the Becca 24-hour foundation. I'm just testing it out to see if this matches me. This was in the shade Espresso. I'm using the Instant Pop brush by Real Techniques to blend out the foundation. To highlight, I'm going to be using the NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Chestnut.
Why you want to the question on me like I ain't that? I'm tryna put the ring on your finger too. And be a better guy, be a better guy. On the low.
I'm blending out a little bit of the edges of the highlight I put under my eyes, but I wanted to sit for a little while just to get tacky so I can get a full coverage. So I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ebony to fill out my eyebrows and define my eyebrows.
Angelina, you dey cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand.
Next up, I'm just gonna blend out the highlight under my eyes. It's been sitting long enough. I'm just gonna blend it out.
Angelina. Oh, me all down. Anytime when I see you for the club or the television, your body. Sure you know say the thing when you carry 50 kill somebody.
I'll be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set all over my highlighted face. I'm gonna put more of the translucent powder under my eyes to bake whilst I'm doing my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use James Charles palette by Morphe, using the shade 10% off as my transition color.
Temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina. I'm a Angelina. Oh no. So when I want to come out, make a signal you.
I'm using the shade No Beans to define the crease of my eyes.
I'm tryna put a ring on your finger too. And be a better guy, be a better guy. On the low, on the low.
I'm using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fonts to cut the crease. I'm using the shade Canvas to set the concealer I used to cut the crease. Using the NYX eyeliner in the shade Jet Black to line my lash line and also give my eyes some wing.
Angelina, you dey cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina, with my Angelina.
I'm gonna go off camera and put these lashes on I got from AliExpress. I'm dusting off all the powder under my eyes that I was using to bake.
You know I feel a vibe, you feel a vibe, so baby whine about me. Yeah, and I know you shy, but it's cool when we're making love. On the low,
I'm just gonna press the rest of it, the powder in with the beauty blender. Now I'm just gonna set all over my face. I don't remember which one I used, but I will try and link it below if I figure it out. I'm just bronzing my face with a bronzer, just for a natural look, nothing too dramatic, because I want all the focus to be on the eyes and the lips. I'm just gonna use the NYX lip pencil in Espresso to line my lips. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Girlfriend to fill in the rest of my lips. It's a very neutral nude shade. I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal to highlight my cheeks, my cupid's bow, and my nose.
So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina, I'm a Angelina. Josu.
Okay guys, if you got to the end of it, this is how the look turned out. Just gorgeous. Yeah, you know. I tried the Becca 24-hour coverage foundation. I just got like a little sample size of it and I'm just trying it out. If I really like it, I'll buy it. It's £32 though. And it doesn't transfer, I've noticed. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And switch on your notification button so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see. Alright guys, have a nice day. Bye.